Hello, this is a tutorial on how to use the DR300 to test for free and total chlorine. In this example, we're going to test for free chlorine. First, you will need the DR300. You will need sample water. You will need 2 sample cells that hold 10 milliliters, a lint-free cloth, and then your testing reagent. For this example, like I shared, we're testing for free chlorine. We're using the Swift test dispenser. First, I will turn on the DR300 by pressing the power button. Then I will set the instrument to low range. You can see the 2 ranges as LR and HR. HR means high range. The arrow points to which range is being used. I can hit the arrow button to switch between high range and low range. So now I'm set to low range, I can proceed. First, I will prepare the blank. I will grab 1 sample cell, fill it to the line, 10 milliliters of sample water. Take this cap off, and I'll clean the blank sample cell with a lint-free cloth. Now that's clean, I'll place it in the sample cell holder and line the diamond up with the arrow. I'll put the cap back on, and I will push 0, which is this blue circle. Now you can see the display says 0. I'll remove the sample cell from the sample cell holder, set that aside, and I will prepare the sample. So I'll grab 10 milliliters of water from the same source, fill up to the line, and I will add the reagent. So this is the free chlorine Swift test dispenser. I'll remove the cap, and this trigger is what injects the reagent to the sample. You can see the color begin to change, and it turns pink at the presence of free chlorine. So I'll invert the sample cell for 20 seconds. And I will clean the sample cell with a lint-free cloth. And before a minute passes, I must put the sample cell back into the unit, place the cap on, and press the green check mark. Now it's reading the sample for free chlorine. The level is 0.35 milligrams per liter of free chlorine. The same operation is done when testing for total chlorine, except you change from your free chlorine reagent to your total chlorine reagent. And you also have to make sure you place the sample cell and hit read for the sample for total chlorine between 3 and 6 minutes of reagent addition instead of before 1 minute. Once you're done with your testing, you should empty your sample cells and rinse them. Thank you.